It's said that the maximum number of times you can fold any piece of paper is 7, but if you manage to fold it more than 45 times, the thickness would supposedly reach all the way to the moon. To test this claim, the Mythbusters team bought a massive sheet of white paper from a stationery store. At first, folding the paper went smoothly, but it quickly shrank to a surprising degree. Grant even brought out a rolling pin to flatten it, but once they hit the 7th fold, no matter how hard they tried, the paper refused to budge. Frustrated but determined to bust the myth, they decided to go big. They rented a fighter jet hangar from NASA, but quickly realized that no single sheet of paper on Earth was large enough to cover the entire space. So they laid out a 246-foot-long roll of paper, applied double-sided tape to the edges, and began attaching a second roll. They repeated this process 16 times. After 2.5 hours of taping, they had created a giant sheet measuring 170 feet wide and 220 feet long. Then the folding began. As the number of folds increased, more air got trapped between the layers, turning the paper into a sort of inflatable mattress. The team had to carefully press the air out with each fold. Finally, thanks to their teamwork and precision, they managed to fold the giant sheet 8 times, already breaking the rumored limit. But by now, the Mythbusters were obsessed. They brought in a steamroller and a forklift. With the help of these machines, they pushed the paper even further, managing to fold it a total of 11 times. By then, the paper had an astonishing 2,048 layers. In the end, driven by sheer curiosity and stubborn determination, the team crushed this classic myth once and for all.